5 Best Magnetic Charging Cable. Here is the product number 5. Top 540 Rotate Magnetic Cable. 540 degrees rotation strong magnetic cable. Rotate as you like, satisfy all usage scenarios. Charging is more convenient. Convenient for playing games. Color, black, red, blue. Length, 1 meter 3.3 feet, 2 meters 6.6 feet. Here is the product number 4. PZOZ Magnetic Cable Fast Charging. Brand name, PZOZ. Connector B, Lightning, Type C, Micro USB. Maximum current, 3A. Surface material, nylon. Connector A, USB. Features, magnetic, 2-in-1, 3-in-1, illuminated, with LED indicator, with C94. Here is the product number 3. Marjay Magnetic Micro USB Cable. Brand name, Marjay. Connector B, Type C, Micro USB. 360-degree round plug design. Material, nylon plus metal connector plus magnetic plug plus LED light. Length, 1 meter/2 meters micro USB cable. Here is the product number 2. USLION Magnetic USB Cable Fast Charging. Magnetic design make you experience the best way to charge your phone. Built-in blue LED indicator illuminates when the cable is active. Metal port plus nylon braid wire, makes product durable and resists kink and tangles. Cable length, 1-2 meter. 360-degree rotate round magnetic cable. Here is the product number 1. KEYSION LED Magnetic USB Cable. Brand name, KEYSION. Connector B, Lightning, Type C, Micro USB. Maximum current, 3A. Surface material, nylon. Features, magnetic, with LED indicator, alloy connector, 360-degree rotate round magnetic cable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.